Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kudzi from Bokalo. I am going to do a natural look today. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me start. Okay, I'm starting. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is brushing my eyebrows. And I'm just using a no-name brand pencil for my eyebrows. So what I'm doing is I fill them in and I'm brushing them, blending them with the pencil. So I am filling in as I said before. So the secret is when you draw in with a pencil, you fill in. The reason why I'm using a pencil as well is because here in Zim, it's not really easy to find a gel or a powder. So I'm just trying to do something that is helpful to you guys. So can you see the difference? So after that, I go in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Warm Honey. And I also have another LA Girl concealer in Toffee. So what I do is I usually mix them up together. And I usually put them at the back of my hand. Yes. So Toffee and Warm Honey, mixing them together. And I use an angled brush. So I'm nicely mixing it up with an angled brush. So I use an angled brush. I'm gonna go in. Literally just drawing under what I had drawn. It has been ages. One of my goals this year is consistency. So I hope I'm going to be consistent with these videos because a lot of you have asked for videos, for YouTube videos. So after that, I'm going to just use a normal brush. After that, I'm going to use a normal brush and just blend everything. So the thing is, I just want to have a realistic eyebrow. Yeah. And then I want to use a darker shade on the top. Why I'm using a darker shade on the top is you don't want your eyebrows to be looking not unrealistic. You want them to look real. So I'm using a darker concealer from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. The name rubbed off, so I don't even know what the name is. I'll be lying to you. I'm gonna go back in with the LA Girl to just fix my brow at the bottom. See, the thing with eyebrows is you want to have eyebrows that make you look friendly, not eyebrows that make you look angry. So sometimes you think you're slaying, but you're chasing everyone away with your unfriendly eyebrows. Friendly eyebrows, please. I think this looks friendly enough. I'm sure someone with this eyebrow, someone can be able to say, hey, how are you? And I'm going to do the same on the other eyebrow. Always remember that eyebrows are sisters. So they will look similar but not exactly the same. Yep, I think they look okay. And so we're moving to eyeshadow. So I'm going to use NYX Jumbo Pencil for my base. So for my eyeshadow, I am going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Remember I said I'm going for a natural look, so yeah. So in this palette, there's browns, golds, blacks, but very subtle, not too deep. So I'm gonna go in with a burnt orange. Why I use this color is because it's a neutral color. So you want something that you don't want like people to see where your eyeshadow started and where it stopped. It must just blend. And I'm gonna use, so I've used this brush, the thicker brush, because it nicely blends everything. It's a fluffy brush, so it's all blended. I'm going to take back that jumbo pencil. I guess I'll use the rose pink. With that same brush, I'm going to blend everything so there's no line. And I'm going to take another brush, use a darker color. It's called Sienna and Rustic. So on the corners of my eyes, I'm just going to nicely blend inside as well, so that that color I put in the middle pops. Okay. And then I am going to use a liquid liner to line my eyes. I know most of you find this really hard, but if you keep doing it, it becomes easy. And then I'm going to use a mascara. It's by Maybelline Rocket. Yeah, Volume Rocket, that's the name of the mascara. And then I am using the Lash Duo to apply on my eyelashes. The lashes I'm going to wear today, I really have forgotten which brand they are. You allow it to dry for about 30 seconds. So I'm just gonna put the glue for both lashes. In my other video, I'll show you how to cut your lashes according to your eye shape. Unfortunately, these ones are cut already, so I can't exactly do that. I find it really easier to apply my strip lashes with my fingers because my nails are not long, but you can use a tweezer, but fingers are just easier. So let the glue dry as I apply my foundation. So I had no fallout whatsoever, like none. So I'm going to go straight into priming my face. I'm using the YSL, it's the, what's it called? It's the YSL serum. That's it, yeah. Can't pronounce it. Something primer. It's French. The only French I can pronounce is Bocalo. That's the only French I can pronounce. So this primer has some gold thingies. I don't know what they are, but it's nice and smooth. So you want to nicely apply your primer to your skin. Don't use too much as well, and just let it sit on your skin. Yeah, I think foundation is the moment you start feeling pretty. Right now it just feels normal. Okay, so because I've got some blemishes, I'm going to use an orange corrector just to cover the spots I have, because I'm going for a full coverage. I'm going to take my beauty blender. This is a Real Techniques blender, so I can't call it a beauty blender because it's not a beauty blender. Beauty blender is a company that's like saying Colgate toothpaste. Always use it when it's damp. So the next thing I'm going to do is apply my foundation, and it's a MAC Studio Fix NW44. Remember, I had that concealer from my eyebrows, so I'm just going to apply it over and mix it up. So I'm going to use this to just mix and put it on the underneath my eye. And I'm going to use another Real Techniques sponge for it to blend underneath my eye. And then I'm going to use the Instapop brush to apply my foundation. This brush is amazing, guys. It's amazing. It also doesn't take up a lot of product, so your product is not sinking into the brush. I'm now feeling pretty. And I'm just going to apply my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. I like to apply mine in between foundation application. Reason why it nicely helps with the blending. And then I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Chocolate Mousse foundation. I'm now highlighting. I'm going to use it underneath my eyes. Okay. And then I'm going to use LA Girl Warm Honey Concealer. I'm only doing this because I'm not sharing this product with anyone. But if you have a friend who will borrow your stuff, don't allow them to use it direct on their skin, because you could just have some reaction. You know, you don't want to be passing on stuff to each other. This is the part where you start feeling pretty though. Confirmed. I know you've confirmed. Okay. So I've nicely done that, and I'm now going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder in deep medium underneath my eyes to set. But I don't use a lot of setting powder. Why? Because I don't want my under eyes to look dry. Used RCMA white powder. I use 2 powders. So underneath my eye again, not too much product. And the areas where the glue kind of smudged the liner is going to go over the area. Then I am going to use a different brush. It's like a contour brush, and this is MAC Studio Fix NW58 or the Sephora palette. It's a contour palette. I am really caught in between. I'm not sure which one to use. This and that. I guess I'll use the Sephora. You see my nose looks thin already. And then I'm going to use Give Me Sun. It's MAC Skin Finisher. It's called Give Me Sun. Underneath my eyes. So with that brush that I was using to contour, I'm just going to go over my eyebrows so that they don't go sweaty or shiny. And now time for some highlighter. So I'm using the MAC Extra Dimension Glow highlighter. And for that, I'm going to use just a very fat brush. And the last thing I'm going to do is apply my lip gloss, a Victoria's Secret lip gloss. And I'm done. This is my final look. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel, tell your friends about my channel, and tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their friends. See you next time. Bye.